Have you ever wondered? Mother Gaia is sending us so many messages. Do you see them? Can you hear them? Can you feel them? Because Mother Gaia has switched. It is cold outside. And I have noticed when I go outside, there are many animals that come towards me that has no shelter, that's cold, hungry, dehydrated. So I'm coming here today to tell you, if you have noticed this, your soul feels this, then it's your duty to make sure you do the best you can to feed them something, to give them something to drink, to give them an old blanket you have stashed in the house, to give them some warmth. Because this is symbolic of the cold times ahead. There may be many people that loses their shelter. Do not walk past your brethren. You make sure you do the best you can. We got to send warmth. Notice the signs. Pay attention to the animals.
This is a test. This is a test.